everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change username on TextMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your TextMe application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now onto this account section, tap on my account. Tap on username on the third row. Enter your new username. Tap on the right icon on the top right corner. And that is how you can easily change username on TextMe. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.